Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miko, and today I'm doing a hair review video for you guys. Please follow me on Instagram at mikoandme.koh, and you can also follow me on Twitter at Miko's Thoughts. To get into the video, first I'm doing my edges. I'm using Shine and Jam and my little edges brush just to keep things sleek. This wig is from Nia Wigs, and it is a curly 18-inch headband wig. So it comes with 4 headbands, which are super cute. Comes with a nice personalized card that they made me, which was so sweet. And then you can get $45 if you review one of their wigs and you post it on the things that are on the back of this card. And then the wig is in this nice little bag with some care instructions here and just return and exchange information. So these curls are so pretty. It has your usual Velcro headband with your 3 combs at the front and your adjustable straps and your comb in the back. So today I'm putting on a wig cap, and I'm just going to put on the wig and see how it looks. Tighten the adjustable straps and just tighten up the Velcro so that everything's snug on my head. And I also like to put in the combs as well, just to make sure everything's secure. These curls are so beautiful and so bouncy, so I'm just spraying some water on it just to freshen up the curls. And I'm also going to spray some leave-in conditioner. This is I use Miracle Milk by Masani, and just spraying it on the hair. This works really well for my wigs because it's very lightweight. So here are all the headbands that kind of come in the pack. I'm just showing you all how they look. I love all of these colors actually. I'm kind of obsessed. My favorite is probably the red. Which one is your favorite? I also really like the white. So I'm going to get into styling this wig. I'm going to show you guys different styles just so you kind of can get the gist and see that it's very versatile. You can switch it up. So I'm doing these pigtails right here, just securing each side with these elastic bands that I love because they don't snag or pull out my hair. They're super like easy, smooth. Okay, for the next style, I'm pretty much just changing the ponytails into little space buns. So I'm using my bobby pins to kind of just secure the little puffs, and I'm kind of twisting it loosely, and then I'm just wrapping it around itself to make a nice loose fluffy bun. Alright, this next style is going to be a cute little idea where I'm taking out pieces of the hair and I'm bobby pinning it to the front of the headband to create kind of like bangs coming out. And once I get everything secure, I'm going to put the headband over where the bobby pin's at to kind of cover it up so it looks like it's just bangs and the hair's out, so it's super cute. And then I'm also going to show you guys that I can put it in a ponytail as well, a high ponytail. So I'm just using my elastic bands again to secure the ponytail, and I can create this cute little pineapple, very messy, very like country farmer girl. I love it, super cute. In this next style, I'm going to create kind of like a Janelle Monáe type vibe, with the loose twist being my bang at the front, kind of covering across my forehead. And I'm going to use my bobby pins to secure everything down. I'm going to take hair from the other side just to make it like more fluffy and secure that as well. And then once I have everything nice and secured, I'm going to just put my headband over that to kind of cover where the band and the bobby pins are. And then I am going to create, either you can do ponytail or you can do like cute little space buns again like I'm doing. These are low space buns, so I'm pretty much doing it the same way that I did the other ones. Okay, in this style, I switched to the green headband, which is actually very festive. It's kind of cute. And I'm just going to do a half up, half down look. So I'm doing a pineapple at the top of my head and I'm leaving the other half down. Okay, and of course you can also change your pineapple into a bun. I'm using bobby pins to secure the bun loosely so it's nice and fluffy, and that is that look. Thank you all so much for watching. Please follow me on social media. I have Instagram at Miko, me.koh, and I have Miko's Thoughts on Twitter. And follow me on Pinterest as well, you guys, at Miko. And you guys subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tutorials, wig reviews, and lifestyle content. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have an amazing, blessed day.